Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherise, and in today's video we are going to be doing a spring makeup look. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn your bell notifications on so you can see every time I post a video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'll link them down below. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter. You know, I post cute little pictures here and there. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be going into my Morphe 35B palette, using this shade as our transition shade. This is really just to kind of like set my lid because I didn't do it with powder. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So now I'm taking like a smaller brush, and then I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here and into the crease. So now we're gonna go in with the darker purple underneath. So now we're using the Maybelline Fit Me, going in with a small angled brush like this. So now that we have cut our crease, I'm just gonna blend the concealer and the darker purple shade out a little. Then I'm gonna go in with the Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Into the Blue. And I did add a decent amount of this to my lid. And now we're gonna go back in with this dark purple shade. Now we're moving on to the wing liner, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise Last All Day Liquid Eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply my lashes and I'll be right back. So So now that we have the lashes on, we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna list the products on the screen just so you can see what products I'm using, and then I'll just speed through this whole foundation routine because I've posted my routine on every video, so I feel like, you know, I want to drag it. So yeah, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 330 and 312. I'm using these two shades. And for concealer, I'm going back in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade medium. And I'm going in with the RubyKisses contour palette. I'm taking the shade. And I'm going to take a small beauty blender and I'm going to blend out my under eye concealer. And now that I have blended that out, I'm going to use my Coty Airspun loose powder to set my under eyes and my entire face. And I'm using a light layer first. Now that I just set my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with my contour palette and I'm using this shade right here. I'm just gonna dust everything away because I don't really want it to, I don't want my contour to be too strong. Snatched, okay? Tell me, girl. So for blush, I'm using my black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not shy with blush. I love blush, so I definitely use a lot, you know. So we're gonna go back in with that same palette and we're gonna use this shade right here. And then we're gonna go in with this purple shade in the outer corner. So we're gonna go in with some black eyeliner to line our waterline. After adding my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go back in with my liquid liner because you guys know I gotta do my inner corner wing, my little cat eye. So I'm just gonna do that. So now I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, I'm so tired of seeing her lip like that. I'm about to fix it right now. And I'm just gonna take some brown lip liner. I'm using my black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lipstick. So now I'm just gonna add some setting spray, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and you know, turn that bell on so you can see when I post my next video. That's it. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.